If you've been struggling to figure out how to access QuickBooks Online Accountant, you're in the right place. Whether you're a new accountant setting up your workspace or you're switching from a regular QuickBooks account, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so you can get up and running fast. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to the official QuickBooks Online login page, the one that ends with intuit.com. Don't skip this step because using the correct login page ensures that your accountant tools load properly. Once you're there, simply click Sign In. Next, enter the email and password connected to your accountant account. If you already have QuickBooks Online Accountant access, you'll be taken right in. But if you're setting it up for the first time, there's one extra step. Inside QuickBooks, go to Settings, select My Accountant, and send an invitation to the email address you want to use as your accountant login. Once you verify that invitation, your account becomes fully activated. After logging in, you'll see a confirmation screen. Just click Continue. Now take a quick look at the top left corner of your dashboard. If everything is set up correctly, it should clearly show QuickBooks Accountant. This is your final confirmation that you're inside the accountant-specific environment and not a regular business account. From here, you can start exploring all the accountant-exclusive features. You'll have access to client management tools, advanced reporting, and smooth integrations with the tax preparation software. If you're new to these features, don't worry. QuickBooks includes a built-in help center and a full resource library to walk you through anything you need. Before you wrap up, keep a few reminders in mind. Always use the correct accountant associated email when logging in. And make sure your login credentials stay secure. These small steps help you avoid lockouts and protect your client data. And that's your full guide to accessing QuickBooks Online Accountant. If this helped you, hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy tech and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.